Good morning 10th class. Today we will do extraction of less reactive metals. Okay, although this portion, that is extraction of metal, is now reduced from your 10th class syllabus for this year just because of COVID-19, that your syllabus is reduced, the extraction of metal is also reduced, but you have to study. That one is for your knowledge. So only one or two topics are left. That also one is refining of metal is also left, so that also I'll explain to you, okay, because knowledge is required. Okay, now just see in this one. Okay, before I'll start with the topic extraction of less reactive metal, one short topic is remaining. That one is thermite reaction. Okay, that one is what is thermite reaction. Okay, now just see, in case of thermite reaction, simple reduction of metal oxide. Just see, this one iron is a metal, okay, and along with oxygen, so this one is metal oxide. So simple, the reduction of metal oxide to get metal, okay, by using aluminium powder as a reducing agent. Okay, so that process is known as thermite reaction. Okay, simple reaction. इसको क्या किया इन्होंने? They are using as this one is reducing agent. This one is reducing agent. So whenever aluminium powder is used as reducing agent to get metal from their metal oxide, so that process is known as thermite reaction. Okay, so simple. After that we will do extraction of less reactive metal. Okay, 10th class, this one is our topic, that is extraction of less reactive metals. Now in case of extraction of less reactive metals, first of all you know that metals below hydrogen, either it's a copper, mercury, okay, silver, they are less reactive metals. Gold and platinum, they occur in free state, so generally processes are not required for the extraction of gold and platinum, they occur in free state. But for mercury, for copper, silver, okay, generally we use some extraction process. Now just see in this case what happened. As I told you, simple, their oxides are directly converted into metal simple by heating. Reduction कैसे होगा उसमें? Simply by heating. So just see, first of all, whatever is your, either it's a mercury, either it's a copper, okay, they're sulfide ore. Okay, first they are converted into oxide ore. Just see HGS, and you know how sulfide ore is converted into oxide ore. कैसे convert होंगे? Simple, by the process of roasting. Okay, so HGS in the presence of oxygen, okay, roasting occur, it is converted into HgO, it's oxide of mercury, plus SO2. This reaction, okay, balanced reaction I have written. Okay, now once this oxide is formed, once metallic oxide is formed and this metal is low reactive metal, so in this case simple, when we heat it, जैसे आपने उसे heat provide करी, in that case reduction occur. Okay, normally we use reducing agent, but for less reactive metals reducing agent is not required. Simply by heating they are converted into metal. So this is converted into Hg plus oxygen is, okay, evolved. Now not balance, oxygen 2, here it's 1, balance it, this one. So this is your simple, that one is extraction of mercury by this process. Okay, once converted into oxide and then simply by heating you will get metal. Okay. Okay, 10th class, this one is another example. Now just see, simple, another example, it's an extraction of copper. Okay, copper is also less reactive metal. Now in this case, this one is copper sulfide, that one is Cu2S. Here value of copper is taken as 1. In the presence of oxygen, roasting process occur. So simple, that sulfide ore, by the process of roasting they are converted into oxide. Okay, and SO2 gas is evolved. Now reaction is balanced, and once this is converted into oxide, you will get copper oxide. Then simple, either you can heat it, copper oxide, simply you will heat it, then you will get copper. Okay, but in this case just see, Cu2O plus Cu2O, that one is copper oxide, it's treated with copper sulfide, it's a copper 1 sulfide, treated it and then heated, then you will get copper plus SO2 to get pure copper. Okay, now in this one simple, if you heat it also then you will get copper, or otherwise you can use Cu2s plus heat it, you will get copper plus SO2. So both the examples, that one is either mercury and copper. This one is important, okay, although now not important for your board exam because वो remove कर दिया, but for your normal competitive exam also, चाहे वो किसी भी level के हो, okay, that one is, this portion is required. General science is required actually, and this one is also a portion of your general science. Okay, thank you.